Good morning. Good morning. It is Monday morning, start of a new week. We are looking for some amazing trades today. It is Monday, so we have to be a little bit precautious as Mondays tend to be a little slow. But we're going to see what we can get if we get anything. Again, like I said, because it's Monday, I'm going to be a little cautious. I'm probably only going to trade on my challenge account and not my fund account today, depending on the setup. If I see exactly what I want, I'll trade on my funded account. But if it's not showing any type of A plus setups and it's just slightly good setups, I may take it on my challenge account. So let's hop into the charts and see what we get. All right, y'all. So I am currently on or watching NG right now. I'm liking what I'm seeing as far as potential sale opportunities. Now we are about 30 minutes from the 4 hour close, so I think I want to wait on this 4 hour to close and then present itself to me as far as what it wants to do. Um, Preferably, I would like price to close below these highs right here, which indicates some sort of higher time frame liquidity being swept, buy side liquidity being swept. If we can close below these candles, if this 4 hour can close below this candle, I'll be looking for price to then come up, give me some sort of wick into this buy side liquidity up here, reject and give me some sell opportunities. So if we could see that, that would be lovely for me. If not, we'll see what it looks like as far as um, if we get any sort of opportunities. But again, you guys know I trade the same way every single day. I'm looking for a price to take out some sort of liquidity, give me a displacement to the either downside or upside if we're buying, and then price trade back into that displacement and um, you know sell or buy from there. So depending on what this 4 hour candle does will depend on if I see a trade opportunity. And if I go to oil, we are in this for a small 4 hour fair value gap. It doesn't look like it wants to hold. We are very bearish, so I don't know if I want to take buys out of here anyway. Um, if I do take any sort of setup, I would need it to be give me some sort of retracement into either this area here. If this is where we end up showing some resistance, I would need it to come into this 50% before I take any sales, or the 61%, which is also the previous day low. So if we could retest this previous day low, which is also the 61%, I'll take some sort of sell. But as this sits right now, I don't know if this is going to happen today. But that'll be the only opportunity I'll be looking for as far as oil goes. All right, guys. I am currently on the 5 minute on NG. Now, this is not the original um, setup I was looking for, so I won't be taking this on my funded, but I am going to take this buy right here on NG. Um, and here's why. So if I go to the 15 minute, I can see that we need a pullback, right? For some reason, um, I just like this area because on the 1 hour, it's rejecting the 200 EMA. Also, it's rejecting these highs right here. So let me do this real quick. I am going to get in, go to here. I'm gonna get in a buy. Now this is a small buy. I'm not gonna risk too much. So I'm
Order
gonna get in
filled.
here, and I'm gonna have my stops below this sweep here, and I really want this target to get hit on let's go back here. I really want this buy side liquidity to get hit, so that's gonna be my target. Now this is a really small scalp. just because ultimately I am bearish on a higher time frame. But before we take any sales, I need this high to get taken out, right? So I like that price has come down, swept some liquidity, and then instantly giving me this push up. I really like this push up right here. So I got into a small buy with my take profit at these highs or this buy side liquidity, which I'll be getting out at just because I know this is where I want price to reject in order to give me a opportunity to sell. So we'll see if we get that. But where did I get in? 216. Got in a little late. Preferably, I would like to have gotten in right here, but this is not a setup that I would normally take um, as far as risking high, so or risking a lot. So um, small scalp. This particular rejection, I'm okay with just because we did hit a small fair value gap. I don't think it's gonna hold just because, again, for me, I would like some highs to be taken out and then a fair value gap to hold to take a sell. Now, if we lose, we lose. I'm not risking a lot. I'm probably only risking about $800 on this account, and this is a 250K account, so that is not even a half a percent. There's nowhere near a half a percent. So I like the trade. It's just a quick scalp. And then if we get the trade that I actually want, which is for price to come take out this buy side liquidity, and then a push down with displacement, so that push down would need some sort of displacement, then I'll take the sell. But for now, I'm going to take this buy. Um, all right, guys, we got to watch this area here as we come into these highs. If we get that rejection, or if we come up into this buy side liquidity like I want it to, what I'm going to do though is, just because this is a scalp and this is not the actual um, trade that I really want, I'm gonna move my stops up just a little bit, just to make sure that I minimize my losses as much as possible. Um, Ultimately, I am looking for price to blast through this and give me some sort of push into this buy side liquidity. Again, price or the 1 hour and the 4 hour are about to close in about 10 minutes. So I'm looking for price to give me a nice push up, even close above this on a lower time frame, but rejecting on a high time frame, and then give me a push down. If we don't get that, that's fine, but at least, yeah, I am tired. I ain't even gonna hold you. I'm tired. It is early in the morning. I tried to, I'm gonna be honest with you, I tried to wake up at like 4 o'clock this morning to um, motivate myself to go to the gym at 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning. That did not happen. I am not a morning person. I am a person who really stays up late at night. Um, and usually I go to the gym at night, but I was told that I need to start going in the morning because going to the gym at night doesn't allow me to get the rest that I need, which is understandable. Um, but yeah, that didn't happen. That didn't happen at all. So we're gonna see if we can make it to the gym later today, probably like around that 5 o'clock time. I still have that 9 to 5, so once I finish the 9 to 5, I'll head to the gym. We're rejecting this area here, which is I kind of figured we would do once we take out some sort of liquidity. Now I really want price to come up into this area, right? I don't know if that's gonna happen until after that 4 hour close. So a part of me wants to close this if we continue down here. I don't really want to take an unnecessary loss on something that I'm just scalping. It's not really the real move that I want. I just really think we're gonna push up here. I really think we're gonna push up here. But I'm gonna be cautious. Push up, 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 up. Go up. Go up. Push. This is the one thing about trading that it will test you is your patience. Like just waiting on a candle. Like it is so slow. I have been sitting here since 7 o'clock. It is almost 9 o'clock. And I'm just waiting. But at the end of the day, I would much rather wait on this 2 hours, 3 hours to get paid what most people get paid in an 8-hour span, sometimes 40-hour span. So I am not gonna complain, and I'm gonna wait. Push it. Go. It's literally like right there, and it's playing around. I just need like a big push up. That's all I need. Just some slight. That's all I need. There we go. Maybe not. This is a very small scalp, you guys. Like again, I'm on a 250K account, and this may be $1,000 win, but I'll take it. Especially since we are slow today. We have no news today. There's no volume. This is not the overall direction that I'm looking for price to go. I'm literally just scalping this. It's not even a 1 or 2 that I'm getting. So I'm going to accept whatever I get. I need price to close above this though. I just don't want it to close above this. I do not like it at all. So I'm going to exit here.
Order filled.
Alright? It's okay. It's not the actual move I was looking for anyway, so I'm going to be patient and wait for the price to come up, if possible, if that's what it wants to give me. Take out some sort of liquidity. So I go to I'm gonna bring you guys to TradingView. So if you can see, right? Wait a minute. What did we do here? Not quite. Didn't quite take it out, right? More of a equal high right here, which I also don't like. But we are getting some sort of push down. Let's take that out. So for me, what I'm looking for is a displacement to the downside, which means it needs to displace below these lows before I take a sell. Or I need price to make some sort of lower high in this area here, because obviously we are in this 5-minute for value gap. So make some sort of lower high here, take out these highs, and then displace below the lower high. If that happens, I'll be happy too. But from what I'm seeing, that's how 4 hour goes. What I'm seeing, we did close above this high. We have yet to come up here. I just really want price to come up here. Let me see. Let me see. We're rejecting that 61% on the daily. On the 4 hour, okay, it's doing its thing. It's doing its thing. So at this point, I'm just gonna wait. And if we get something, we get something. If we don't, we don't. And I will see you guys if we get something. So on the higher time frame, we are bearish. We are trading above these highs right here. So I have to be careful as far as taking sales, right? We may just be at a point where we are looking to reverse because we've been dropping for so long. So if we don't get that push, if we don't get that sell, then I won't be taking the trade. And I'll just be done for the day. So if you guys don't see me, I'll see you guys tomorrow. If you do, watch out. If I do get into another trade, you'll see that in a second. But if not, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Let's continue to run this channel up. I do want to say thank you to everybody who has subscribed thus far. I have already hit, I think, a little over 30 subscribers. To some of you guys, that might not be a lot, but to me, starting a week ago where I only had 2 subscribers on the channel, this is a great achievement for me, especially with me being consistent and dropping almost every day. So for the past week, I'll continue to drop these videos for you guys, whether it's live trading, back testing, trade breakdowns that I didn't get to catch live. Whatever it is, I am going to continue to drop the gems for you guys, continue to drop knowledge as much as possible. Hopefully we can continue to grow this channel together. I want to build a community of you for you guys. And speaking of community, remember that I am dropping my Discord live. It will be dropping live August 15th. So it is free. It does have a section for you guys it does have a section for those who want to be exclusive, and you want to trade live with me on a daily basis. If you want one-on-ones with me, that will be included in your subscription. But if you just want to get a little knowledge, get some trade ideas, not necessarily telling you to buy or sell, it's just trade ideas, then that is going to be free for the Discord, for people who want to be in the Discord. And that's launching August 15th. Again, appreciate you guys watching my videos, running these likes up, running these views up. Super appreciative for the supporters. 30 subscribers is a lot for me, and I am excited to see where the channel grows. So like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. All right, peace.